So now we go to add a new article, click on new, and you'll see that you have your title box here, and then below the title box you'll have the editor. Now before I go down to the editor, what I'm going to do is get my title from the article that I'm going to copy. So click on that, copy it, go back to the website and click in the box, right click again, paste, and that's now added my title to the article. Then click inside the editor, and the next thing we need to do now is go back to, so I'm doing Alt Tab, that will take me back to my article. I'm going to copy the whole article. I just do that by left clicking on the mouse, dragging it down so I've got it all covered in black. Then I right click, copy, Alt Tab again, go back to the website, come in here, I've clicked in there. Now I could just paste, but the best way to do it is to go up here where it says paste from Word. Click on that button. What that will do is strip out some of the Microsoft tags behind the scenes and allow it to sit in the editor better. Okay, I had a bit of a space up there, so I'm just going to take that space out. Okay, so there's my article in the editor. So when I'm happy with that, I go down to the bottom of the page, and you will see that there are some tags here as well. This shows what images that I've already uploaded to the website. We're going to come back to that in a moment. Now, every article that you first copy or write is unpublished. This enables you to actually put articles up, but while they remain unpublished, it means that nobody can see them. So you can actually put up a number of articles in advance, and then you can come here and click on this box and publish them one by one. So thereby making sure that you get new content being added to your website on a regular basis. And really the search engines do notice whether you stick all your content on at once or whether you stick it on in a regular fashion. And it is better for you that the search engines see your website growing on an ongoing basis rather than once a month sticking up 10 articles. Don't know why, but that's what they prefer. So you can put them up and then you can publish them. Now the next thing is that you want to put in your metadata, so you put in your keywords. So I'm going to have Google, I'm going to have sandbox, I'm going to have search, SEARCH, search engine, optimization. Now you notice I typed that with a Z because a lot of people, as well as Google, are American, and so I want to get them. But optimization, that's for the Australians that might be searching for something on optimization, or the English people that might be searching for it. So it's well worth it to actually use the English and the American descriptions or spellings, because Google does see them as being different words. Then in the description column, how to get your new website ranked in Google. The article's actually about Google. So I've put in a description. Actually, you can put a longer description in than that, but for the purposes of the exercise, I've put that in. Once you're happy with those things, you can go up here and save. Please select a category. So that's good. I almost forgot to select a category. Now, I've got a couple of categories. Search engine optimization is where the article will ultimately end up, but I put my new articles in the new articles category. Then every couple of months you can go in and move them from there. So now I've done that, I will save. And the good thing about the editor is that if you do forget to do something, it will prompt you. And the same thing if I tried to get out of that web page without saving, it would say, look, you haven't saved or you haven't cancelled. So there you can see my article is now up on the website and looking good. So that's as easy as it is to add an article to your website.